Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel na Solving Math with Leonalyn. Now, age problem na naman tayo. Basahin muna natin. A mother is 3 times as old as her daughter. In 12 years, the mother will be twice as old as her daughter. How old is the mother? Kapag meron din kayong mga tanong, lalo na kapag math yan, pwede nyo ako i-message sa Free Reviewers with Leonalyn na FB page para baka isa yung mga tanong nyo na gawa natin ng katulad nito. I-identify natin yung given. Yung mga given natin ay si mother daw ay 3 times as old as her daughter. And then, after 12 years, si mother will be twice as old as her daughter. Gawan natin ito yung tinatawag nating table method para klaro lang. Mother, tapos si daughter. Yung edad nila now. Hindi man natin alam kung ilan yung edad ni daughter, so palagay natin let H para sa edad ni daughter. Kapag sinabing 3 times as old as her daughter, so 3 times dito sa H. In 12 years plus 12. So ito yung in 12 years. Mother will be twice as old as her daughter. Hindi rin natin alam kung ilan yung edad ni daughter. So anyway, since H yung edad ni daughter now, after 12 years, that will be H plus 12. Kapag sinabing twice as old as her daughter, so yung edad ni daughter na H plus 12 twice dyan. Yan yung edad ni mother. So pwede na tayong mag-equate dito. Gawa na tayo ng equation at ito yung i-equate natin. Yung edad ni mother now sa edad ni mother in 12 years. Paano kayang maging equal ito? Kung ang edad ni mother now ay 3H, add natin ng 12 yan siya para maging equal yan dito sa edad ni mother in 12 years. Edad ni mother in 12 years ay i-multiply muna natin ito. This is 2H plus 24. So ito yung edad ni mother, 2H plus 24. So pwede na nating ipagsama-sama yung mga like terms. I-keep natin si 3H. Si 2H, since pang-add siya dyan, pang-minus siya dito sa kabila. Then, ang matitira dito ay itong si 24. Plus 12, since pang-add si 12 dyan, kapag matransfer, pang-minus na si 12. 3H minus 2H, H na lang. 24 minus 12, and this is 12. Itong H natin na ang value dito ay 12, yan na yung edad ni daughter. Now, yung tanong dito, how old is the mother? Since ito yung edad ni daughter, si mother ay 3 times as old kay daughter now, so therefore, i-multiply lang natin ito ng 3 and this is 36. Ito na yung edad ni mother. Thank you for watching and all. I hope na mayroon kayong natutunan sa videong ito. Thank you and God bless.